So let's see what is an arithmetic progression. So quantities are said to be in AP if they increase or decrease by a common difference. So what does it mean? So suppose a number is there 1, 3, 5 and so on. This is a series. So here you can see that after each term it increases by 2. So this is the common difference, and like this other can be 1, 3, 1, -1, -3 and so on. So here each term is decreasing by -2. So any quantities which is said to be in AP if it increases or decreases by a common difference. So we will see more about it in. So suppose if the first term of AP is A and the second term is A plus D, D is the common difference by which it is increasing, third term is A plus 2D and so on. So how we will find the nth term? So you can see that the third term, this is the third term, and 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. Similarly, this is the second term, and here you can see that 2 minus 1 is over here. So similarly, if for nth term we will go, then A plus n minus 1 times D will be the nth term. You can put and check these values. Suppose A 3, A plus 3 minus 1 to D, that is A plus 2D. If suppose you have to go for 8, 10, 10th term, then A plus 10 minus 1 D, which will be A plus 9D. So for example, let's take a question. Suppose 7, 14, 21, so on, and so we have to find the 100th term of this AP. Okay, so how you will find the 100th term? The first, what is the first term? First term is 7, and common difference D, it is the difference between second term and first term or any two terms. So you can see that 21 minus 14 is equal to 7, or you can minus this also. So 7 is the common difference. So what will be the 100th term? So you know that A plus n minus 1 D. Here A is 7 and n is 100. So 100 minus 1 times D, that is A plus 99D. You can write 7 in plus of A, and 99 times of D is also 7. So if you do this, then you will get 700. Okay, now let's see how to find the sum of the terms of an AP. Suppose A plus D, A plus 2D, similarly to A plus n minus 1 D. This is the nth term. So you have to find the sum of all the terms of an AP. So how you will find? So let's say the sum will be S. A plus D plus A plus 2D, and similarly the last term is A plus n minus 1 times D. Now again write the same S, but this time don't write in this manner, left to right. This time we will write it from right to left. See, so we will write the last term in the first, A plus n minus 1 D in beginning. Then what will be the second last term? A plus n minus 2 times D, and so on, and the last term will be A. So now let's add both these. So you know that we can add two equations and there is no problem. So if you add this and these two equations, you get 2s on one side, and here if you add this to this, then you get A and A, 2A plus, and this is as it is, n minus 1 times D. Now again add this and this, so again you get A and A, 2A plus, here n minus 2, sorry, we have to add this n minus 2 and 1d, so you will get n minus 1 times d. Similarly it will be till last. So this, if you add this to this, you get 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so you can see that these also are repeating. So how many times this number goes? 2a plus n minus 1 times of d, it repeats n times, so you will multiply it by n, 2s. So finally you bring this to this side. Okay, so if you bring this to this side, this will be your final formula for finding the sum of the AP. So let's see one question. So suppose AP is 7, 12, 17, 22, so on. Like you can see it is increasing by 5. So here the first term is 7, common difference is 5. So you have to find the sum till 100th term. So you know that the formula of AP is sum of all the terms of AP is a plus n minus 1 times d. So let's put n 100, as 100 is equal to 100 by 2 plus a is 7 plus n minus 1 is 100 minus 1, that is 99, and d is 5. So if you simplify this, you get 50 over here. 50 into 7 plus 99 times 5, what it will be? 495, and this will become 50 into 502. So just multiply this and get the answer. So now we will see one more thing. What is a arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean. So if A, B and C are in AP, then this middle term is called arithmetic mean. So let's find a expression or relation between all the three terms. So you can know that if A, B and C are in AP, then their common difference should be same. Like B minus A should be equal to C minus B. Now if you take B on left hand side, B plus B, and A on the right hand side, C plus A. So here you get 2B equal to C plus A. So B will be equal to C plus A by 2. So you can say that the arithmetic mean, that is B, is the mean of the first term and the second term. So I hope this has cleared all your doubt. So thank you for watching the video.